What's up?
Welcome to part 2 of exposing top luxury restaurants on Zomato. So as you know, Zomato पे a lot of these expensive restaurants have launched their food tasting menus, which is like a 4-course or 6-course menu जो आप order कर सकते हो and you can try out like the restaurant and then decide whether you want to order from these places or not. And from part 1, this is the current rating system जिस पे top पे currently is Tahini and we've ordered 4 more places से. So let us see if any of these can beat our current top. What do you want to try first? One we have from a place called The Pit, which is like smoked and grilled food. The second one is a full dessert menu. मेरा ना बहुत ज़्यादा मन कर रहा है सबसे पहले इससे शुरू करें, but I think we should end with this. Then we have from a place called Easy Tiger, which is like Pan-Asian kind of food. And last is Indian from Bhavan. We've tried Bhavan before, but
वो हमको काफी अच्छा लगा था. उनके वो स्टार्टर्स गोलगप्पा वगैरह खाए थे तो बहुत अच्छे थे. I think Indian as main course खाना चाहिए. We should go with Easy Tiger.
okay, fine. Let us start with Easy Tiger.
ओ बाप रे.
Okay, they have like a tiny dabba full of sauces. Let us start with the salad.
Chalo.
This is called Somtam salad. I think this is raw papaya का salad. I think last time भी किसी जगह का हमने ऐसा ही similar salad try किया था
Vietnam.
ना? हाँ.
Yes.
This looks nice, bro.
ओ काफी अच्छा लग रहा है.
And it smells so fresh. I love the fact that they've given chopsticks because Spanish food needs chopsticks. This looks nice.
Cheers.
Cheers.
ये बहुत बहुत बढ़िया है. ऐसा पूरा स्वीट चिली टाइप ऑफ फ्लेवर आ रहा है. एकदम ठंडा ठंडा है यार. बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है.
And it has a little bit of soya sauce. It has that, you know, Thai chili का जो kick होता है बहुत हल्का सा.
Yes.
And the papaya is like very crunchy.
और वो एकदम ऐसे स्पाइसी किक भी आ रहा है इसमें यार. I didn't expect ऐसे थोड़ा सा चिली वगैरह भी होगा इसमें.
This is very nice.
Very nice.
Time for the next thing. This is called their Thai roasted chicken. Yeah, but मेरे को एक चीज हमेशा से इनके tasting menus की लगती है कि 2000 के लिए वो giving very less quantity.
हाँ ना, मतलब टोटल 5 चीजें आई हैं और इत्तू सी आई है.
This they're saying is for 400 rupees, guys. I don't think that is worth it, which is why we try so you don't have to. Take a look into this. Oh, this does not look great. Matlab, it looks like basic grilled chicken and a little bit of like sauce around. I don't know.
So the thing is, it's called chef tasting menu. So I think it should look good also. The plating, the aesthetics should be better.
That is true because I think you are charging for that. I've taken a little bit of like chili oil.
Cheers.
Honestly, this is very mid.
Yeah, मतलब nothing too special about it. Very decent. अच्छा है, chicken है, खा लो, अच्छा है. But nothing too special कि हाँ.
बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छे फ्लेवर्स है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
So the thing is, it is like basic grilled chicken जो shawarma के साथ आता है. And I feel like shawarma would taste better because of all the sauces. It's so bland in that sense. And I think mid at best. So this is the next thing. This is Thai curry and it's going to be coconut. So you might not like it. इसके साथ we have some jasmine rice.
यार मेरा तो ये टेस्ट करने का मन ही नहीं हो रहा
अरे
है.
कोई बात नहीं यार. You never know. It might be good.
Anything coconut is not good, guys.
अरे ट्राई.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, quite honestly, I don't hate it entirely because मेरे को थोड़ा थोड़ा वो Thai taste पसंद आने लग गया. But apart from the flavor of coconut, इसमें ना बहुत ज़्यादा strong मिठास है, which is not honestly making any sense. Like it needs a little bit of spice, it needs a little bit of like नींबू या something to cut through all of that. And I don't think I would have this again. Like this is.
I couldn't swallow it. I'm sorry. It was just. ये क्या इतना मीठा क्यों था ये?
Anyways, this is something you might like. This is coconut. Oh, never mind.
नहीं, डेजर्ट में coconut is not that bad.
Yeah, so this is coconut and pandan tres leches.
Is it green in color?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's why I ordered it because the color was very intriguing to me and it looks pretty.
Cheers.
First of all, coconut का कुछ खास taste
नहीं
नहीं
है,
है.
हाँ, true.
And they're saying coconut and pandan. अब honestly, I've not had pandan before, so I don't know what pandan tastes like. But it's not giving anything different than a regular tres leches.
मतलब इतना कुछ बहुत ही बढ़िया tres leches भी नहीं है. I've had better tres leches than this.
What is the overall rating of this place?
A
I
5.
don't like. Yeah, I was also thinking 5.
I'll give it a 5 out of
But
5.
last time the lowest rating was 6.9 or something. This time it's just getting bad.
ये तो बहुत ही बेकार था यार.
Now that we've been disappointed, let's go for the Indian food, please. Please, 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 please.
You don't want to try the grill place?
Oh yeah, okay, fine. Then we will leave the best for the last. You mean?
यार एक और कुछ दे देते.
हाँ, मतलब
खाली
क्या
क्यों छोड़ दिया?
Bro, oh my gosh! I just noticed something. Like a tasting menu, they've written the menu
Oh,
here.
that is so cool.
I think this is giving the vibe that this is like a proper chef tasting menu.
Dude, did you notice one more thing? वहाँ 2000 की 5 चीजें थी, एक चीज 400 रुपए की, यहाँ पे 1400 की 6 चीजें हैं.
So the first menu item which we have to try is roasted sesame salad. There's oranges in this. I love this, guys. Let's try.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh, that is an incredibly flavorful salad. Like sesame seeds is giving that nutty flavor to it. साथ में the oranges are so fresh and the leaves are cutting through it so nicely. It's like a perfect bite.
मतलब जैसे सीजर सैलेड खाते हैं ना बहुत सारे ऐसे सॉसेस के साथ, ये बिल्कुल वैसा ही लग रहा है. With the orange का kick is very nice. What is the next thing to try?
Lamb skewers. Okay, what?
देखने में तो अच्छे लग रहे हैं, बट इतने छोटे छोटे से क्यों आए हैं?
But it is so cute. I am getting to understand why this is 1600 रुपए का, because this is all they're giving us. Barbecue sauce.
Cheers.
That is so good.
Very, very good.
And honestly, the mutton is so soft. Like when you cook it like this, a lot of the times वो hard हो जाता है, but it literally melt in mouth.
Quantity wise काफी कम आया है, but the taste is really good.
The next thing is chicken wings.
Let's go. जल्दी 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 चिकन विंग्स चाहिए मेरे को.
Oh.
ये काफी सारा आया है.
ये काफी सारा है, but ये थोड़ा bland सा नहीं लग रहा. Like
यार खा के देखते हैं यार. Let's not judge it.
Cheers.
ब्लैंड तो नहीं है ये बिल्कुल भी.
बिल्कुल भी ब्रांड नहीं है. So like it's not those kicking Indian spices that you have in like wings वगैरह, but it has a lot of chili, pepper, salt. I think a bit of soya sauce also, and it's very Mediterranean flavors.
Yes, exactly. मतलब I think किसी सॉस के साथ और बेटर लगेगा.
The next thing is called a half-boiled chicken sub. भाई, that looks so nice. मतलब I love the fact that bun बहुत पतला सा है, and look at the filling to bun ratio. I think this is going to be a banger. It looks insanely good. I would just like to say that I do not like this very much.
इतना ब्लैंड है. सिर्फ चिकन है, कुछ मैरिनेशन है ही नहीं चिकन में.
समथिंग किस चीज का टेस्ट आ रहा है?
हाँ.
सिर्फ बन और बटर का टेस्ट आ रहा है इसमें.
कुछ तो बेकार ही है ये. कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा है. What the hell is this?
Like there is no cheese sauce भी डाली हुई है, तो उसका भी कोई टेस्ट नहीं आ रहा. We have another side. You were saying 6 चीजें, but this is like a side. This is just coleslaw.
Cheers.
This is good.
Very good coleslaw.
It's not too heavy. Like जैसे mayo बहुत ज़्यादा strong नहीं है. I think it's diluted with milk, and the spices they put is also good. But what the hell did you do with your slider, bhai? This does not look very great. I mean, this looks like something जो मैं घर पे बना लूँ, quite honestly. Like there are no flavors. You know, जैसे बच्चों के लिए नहीं बनाते, ये वैसा लग रहा है.
No.
We will not judge. We will taste.
Cheers.
What?
Is it the same sauce you've put in this? Because इसमें taste बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है, and इसमें taste आ ही नहीं रहा है.
This is such a good mac and cheese. Guys, usually हम mac and cheese खाते हैं ना, it is just white sauce pasta with cheese. But this is not white sauce pasta. इसमें इतना बढ़िया cheddar cheese का flavor आ रहा है. I just love it.
Overall rating, I would give it a 8.2.
I would give it a 7.
So then 7.6.
ठीक है, 7.6.
Fine.
Let's go.
I think यार this time the food is not hitting as much as it
है
did
ना,
last
है ना.
time.
Last time काफी better था खाना.
This place is called Bhavan, and हमने यहाँ पे 1-2 चीजें try करी and we loved it. So here's to hoping we have a new top contender. This is something called as दूध घी वाली रोटी. सिरका, प्याज, मसाला, onion, mint chutney and mutton rasa. This is very cool.
रस्सा क्या होता है?
This is ras malai. They have a lot of sides. I like that. And this is our dawat.
6 चीजें आई है. That's good.
There is palak patta chaat.
Okay, let's try that first.
Oh, it is only 5 things. This is dahi for palak patta chaat.
Oh, that is not good.
So, oh, it's crunchy. You know how I would like to eat this palak patta chaat? Or just stick the patta.
That makes more sense. अभी इसमें
Yeah.
transfer कौन करे?
Let's try.
Cheers. That's very good.
I can't believe कि इतनी crunchy है पालक even after like in a box and everything. Generally पता है restaurant की चाट is not good, but it's so मसालेदार, so crunchy. The spices are so perfect. Very good.
काफी आया है एटलीस्ट.
हाँ, इसमें 3 पीस आए हैं and नीचे there is रुमाली रोटी also, so that is nice.
Cheers.
That sheikh kebab has so much flavor in it, and I genuinely love the concept of a mutton seek birya because you like dip it into that gravy and it is so succulent.
हाँ यार बहुत बहुत बढ़िया है.
I'm just hoping इस जगह की बाकी चीजें अच्छी है because I would like to rate this very very high. Let us open our roti now because it is time to try our
दाल. Okay.
Jinx. Oh, interesting. ये क्या ये घी वाली रोटी तो नहीं लग रही है, नान लग रहा है नहीं? अच्छा हनी हनी हनी.
Okay.
मैंने कहा अकेले क्या यार बात ही कर रहे हो तो मैं क्या करूं?
भाई मैंने कहा खुद ही बोल देगी, मेरे को कुछ बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. ये तो कुलचा लग रहा है.
Actually, it is time to try the dal. Well, honestly, guys, I love a place that serves good dal because dal is genuinely comfort food. It is dal makhni. It doesn't look very great.
बट ये काफी मसालेदार लग रही है यार दाल मखनी.
हाँ. Cheers.
Oh my god.
पता है guys, I was half there to be disappointed because दाल मखनी कई जगहों की बहुत मीठी होती है and we actually tried एक दो like restaurants की like whiskey samba and Comorin and उनकी बहुत मीठी थी but this one is so amazing.
इसमें 1% भी मिठास नहीं है भाई, इसमें बस अच्छे मसाले भरे हुए हैं.
It is very very nice. It is so smooth.
I want to do that. This is the दाल जिसके लिए चाटना जरूरी है.
Exactly.
रोटी की भी तारीफ करनी पड़ेगी, इतनी ज्यादा सॉफ्ट कैसे है मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा.
It's like a fluffy roti.
फ्लफी रोटी है ना. Cool. नेक्स्ट क्या ट्राई कर रहे हैं हम?
दावत वाला चिकन कोरमा. Interesting, but you might not like it because korma is coconut based.
कोकोनट यार सब चीज में कोकोनट क्यों डालते हैं?
Yeah, but I think a lot of people do like coconut, and I used to be one of them who doesn't, but now I do. Chicken tikka है क्या इसके अंदर?
करना चाहिए. ओके.
हाँ, honestly the gravy is so rich and smooth. हमें coconut का taste नहीं है.
उतना
बिल्कुल
फेवरेट
भी नहीं आ रहा है.
हाँ. चिकन कितना सॉफ्ट है.
And it is chicken tikka का piece that they have put inside because the
हाँ.
chicken feels spicy.
Yes. And overall बहुत ही अच्छा था, काफी फ्लेवरफुल था चिकन कोरमा.
हमने थोड़ा order कर दिया because there's another starter here. This is called Toddy Shop chicken and I don't know why but oh this is like a chicken sukka starter kind of a thing. This
ये
is
तो मेरे को साउथ इंडियन चिकन टाइप लग रहा है, घी रोस्ट जैसा.
And actually the place is called Bhavan so makes sense.
Cheers. Yes. This is a very South Indian desi ghee wala chicken.
But guys, I would have to say today out of everything I've tried, can you guess what's my favorite?
I can also tell you why. Because अंजलि को घी रोस्ट चिकन बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है.
This I'm not sharing with you, so deal with it.
ओए, wait. ये चीजें थी.
Oh right.
रसमलाई तो भूल ही गए हम.
But Bhavan पे रसमलाई खाई हुई है. Don't you remember when we went there last time? They knew that we were food bloggers and they gave me free rasmalai.
कैसी थी?
बहुत अच्छी थी.
Done. Let's go. हम already rate कर चुके हैं.
So we're not changing the rating based on that. वो already अच्छी है guys.
अच्छा इसको रेटिंग क्या देनी है यार? सब कुछ है सुधा. 5 की 5 चीजें पर 10 on 10 भाई.
I would believe that this food is better than Tahini का खाना, which we gave 9.1 in the last video.
I think इसको हम 9.5 तो बहुत आराम से दे सकते हैं.
I think so.
Damn. We found a 9.5 यार,
And
crazy.
guys, we have another top पे.
Let's go. But now हमारी जो अगली चीज है, there is a chance वो हमारे अभी के current top को भी beat कर दे, which is all desserts.
Yeah, it's a place called Mayam Patisserie and Macarons, and this पूरा डब्बा costed around 3,000 something. So that's why it's like incredibly
This is
expensive.
the most expensive thing in all the 8 places अभी तक जो अभी हमने.
Hi, I am most excited about this.
भाई 5 desserts दिए हैं इन्होंने.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go, bhai.
This is also given us a menu. This is the dark chocolate and salted caramel, and honestly, just look at that texture.
क्या बढ़िया लग रहा है यार.
I would also add a macro to this because I love macros.
Weirdly ना मेरे को macros बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद.
I don't know how he does not like macros, but I genuinely love that halka sa flaky, crunchy, and like that airy texture.
Cheers. Oh my god.
That is so yum.
तुझे ये पसंद कैसे आ रहा है? But this is so dark.
I genuinely do not like dark chocolate wale desserts and all of that, but there is like an inside layer of caramel, which is
Caramel.
like cutting through that dark
ये रहा,
flavor.
ये-
सबसे नीचे is a layer of cake, and then there's mousse, then there's caramel on top, and then macarons, and you get everything. It's like a perfect bite.
बहुत अच्छा. I didn't expect कि इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा यार. Next they want us to try is something called mango and coconut.
And इनके mangoes कितने fresh लग रहे हैं ना?
हाँ. Cheers.
Cheers. Even the mango jam at the bottom. It's not feeling with preservatives or
आर्टिफिशियल
something.
नहीं लग रहा है, वो बहुत ज्यादा फ्रेश लग रहा है. मैंगोस तो फ्रेश है ही, साथ में जो नीचे मैंगो जैम है, स्पंज केक, सब कुछ इतना ज्यादा फ्रेश फील हो रहा है.
Bhai, this is legit so good. Guys, this place is called Mayam's Patisserie and oh my gosh. Next, we have to try their tiramisu. Bhai, this tiramisu tub looks like what dreams are made of. That looks so good. सबसे base पे there is a sponge and then बीच में mascarpone I think and then there's another layer of sponge. अरे इसमें अच्छा नहीं, it's not sponge, it's butterfingers only. पहले मैं सोच रही थी कि why is it not butterfingers? Cheers.
स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉफी का फ्लेवर है इसमें.
I was gonna say the same thing. Like it is incredibly smooth, but the coffee flavor is too strong. Like बीच में जो उन्होंने cream cheese and जो भी frosting डाली है, इसमें हल्की सी मिठास और चाहिए to balance it all off.
यार the thing is, हमने जहाँ पे भी authentic तिरामिसू खाया
वो
है ना,
हमेशा बहुत strong हुआ है.
वो हमेशा ऐसे ही होते हैं. So I would not judge it based on the fact that ये इतना ज्यादा strong है. But the best part about this is ये कितना smooth है. Really nice तिरामिसू.
The next thing that we have is called dark chocolate and raspberry. यार इतना dark chocolate क्यों कर रहे हो तुम
Dark
लोग?
chocolate, let's go. Spoon से.
ये हर डेजर्ट के लिए एक नया चम्मच मार.
एक सेकंड, मैं नहीं, वो तेरी गलती थी.
अबे दो एक मेरा था, बाकी दोनों तो तेरे ही है. Oh, this looks nice.
This is very similar to the first thing we had, the dark chocolate
हाँ,
mousse.
I think थोड़ा सा
उसमें raspberry ले लो, नहीं तो ये same ही होने वाला है. Cheers.
Cheers.
This and that is just exactly same. इसमें raspberry डाला हुआ है, उसमें बस caramel डाला हुआ था. That is the only difference.
But I do think raspberry की वजह से एक खटास आ रही है, which is making it different only. But मेरे को अब dark chocolate उतना Shall we move on to the next one which does not have dark chocolate? It is called vanilla and blueberries. And guys, I'm a vanilla person, he's a chocolate person. आप कौन से person हो? Let us know in the comment section. This is looking so nice. I think I'm gonna like this the most because this is the most my kind of flavors.
अब मेरे को भी लगता है ये अच्छा तो होगा ही.
And it has like fresh blueberries on top, which I think is lovely.
Cheers. इसमें क्या केसर का टेस्ट है? Have this.
Oh yeah.
है ना? This tastes like केसर something.
Basically, the sponge is kesar flavored. They have a lot of like vanilla flavored frosting. They have blueberry compote, a lot of blueberries and the macros together. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Now the difficult question. इसको क्या rate करा जाए?
Yeah, okay, I'll tell you something. In general, dessert is always going to rate above food.
Yeah.
So we need to balance it off somewhere. Like,
That
is this
makes
the
sense.
best dessert that we've had? No. This is good dessert, but when you want to order from a place, you're not going to order the tasting menu of Miami.
Just
right?
dessert तो नहीं खाओगे तुमको पहले.
Exactly.
You need to be happy with the food, then only you'll be happy with the dessert, right?
I would give it a 9.4 because I think Bhavan still deserves it all.
I agree to that कि हाँ डेजर्ट काफी अच्छे थे बट खाने को रेट तो तुमको पहले करना पड़ेगा ना.
And the thing is, Bhavan also has desserts. उनकी rasmalai is pretty damn good. So, like an overall meal point of view, से I think Bhavan should be slightly above. The fact that we're giving this a 9.4 still says a lot about
What
how
about
good
this
the
place?
dessert
Yes,
is.
yes. Agreed. भाई लेकिन I guess सब कुछ तो अच्छा नहीं था.
But I think the last two were genuinely
बहुत
amazing.
अच्छे थे लास्ट टू. स्पेशली भवन भाई सब कुछ अच्छा था उसमें.
आप लोग हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ कि हमें और कौन से रेस्टोरेंट्स के शेफ टेस्टिंग मेन्यू ट्राई करने चाहिए एंड प्लीज गुड़गांव डाल देना लोकेशन में बिफोर यू सजेस्ट. एंड यू गाइस आल्सो नो दैट वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू रीचिंग 10 million at the end of this year. And
जल्दी जल्दी सब्सक्राइब करो गाइस. क्या कर रहे हो?
And as soon as we reach 10 million, we're doing an iPhone giveaway to the most loyal subscriber to like, share, subscribe, comment, everything. And we will see you in the next video.